welcome to this very special broadcast that we're bringing to you from the mother of all battlegrounds, West Bengal. I'm Paulami Saha, and keeping things spicy this election season are the stars that have descended on the battlefield. Tare Zameen par, quite literally. Now, over the next half hour, we'll give you a glimpse of the Bangla Star Wars that have become quite the talk of town.
Star Wars in Bengal's battlefield. BJP and TMC flex star power. Crowd pullers or vote catchers. From Tollywood to Power Corridor. Bengal poll, a star-studded affair.
It's raining stars in the West Bengal elections. Primary contenders, both the Trinamool Congress and the Bharatiya Janata Party, have been wooing film and TV personalities virtually on a daily basis. Now, here are some of the names that have been grabbing both eyeballs and headlines.
With the bugle being sounded for the high-voltage Bengal elections, seems like the floodgates have opened in the Bengali tinsel town to take sides and plunge into the political whirlwind. The latest star to start her political innings is Sayantika Banerjee, who has now joined the TMC.
ये फैसला आज का नहीं है, मैं दीदी के साथ थी पहले भी। आज आप कह सकते हैं कि ऑफिशियली मैंने साथ दिया है। दीदी के साथ रहने के लिए मैं ऑफिशियली अपना नाम तृणमूल कांग्रेस में मेरा लिखा जाएगा।
Sayantika is the latest in a long list of actors who have decided to pick sides in the heated Bengal battle. Actor Shayani Ghosh, known for hit films like Not Aboard, Not Out, joined the Trinamool Congress recently. And Shayani has made headlines in the past as well, particularly for her showdown with former Meghalaya Governor Tathagata Roy, who accused the actress of hurting religious sentiments for a meme she allegedly shared on Twitter. Actor Kaushani Mukherjee has also joined the TMC. She's had several Bengali hits like Parbonami Charte Toke, Kaler Kirti and Girlfriend. Kaushani is also very active on social media with over 1.5 million followers on Instagram.
ইনফোগ্রাফিকের মাধ্যমে পেতে পারেন। আর দিদির এই স্বপ্ন পূরণের দিকে আমরা 10 কোটি বাংলার মানুষ চলুন এগিয়ে যাই আর প্লে স্টোর থেকে ডাউনলোড করুন দিদির দূত অ্যাপ।
But the BJP isn't far behind. The Saffron Party is loaded with glam power. Payal Sarkar has chosen the Bharatiya Janata Party. Payal has had several hit films and serials like Love Story, Waqt, Lady Special, Jaume Raja Dilobor, among others. She also has a sizable social media presence with over 3 million followers on Facebook and 5 lakh followers on Instagram.
अभी मैं लोगों के लिए काम करना चाहती हूँ, तो इसमें ग्रुपिज्म का कोई सवाल है नहीं। ये मेरा अपना चॉइस है। ये मैं करना चाहती हूँ जो मुझे लगता है कि मुझे अच्छा लगेगा अगर मैं लोगों के लिए कुछ कर पाऊँ, और अगर मुझे लोगों का सपोर्ट मिले, लोगों का और आशीर्वाद और प्यार मिले।
Tollywood actor Shravanti Chatterjee has also taken the saffron route. With 1 million followers on social media, Shravanti is known best for her hit film Champion and is a popular name in Bengali cinema, having acted in films since she was a child.
অবশ্যই আমি ধন্যবাদ জানাতে চাই বিজেপি মানে আমাদের ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টিকে যে আমাকে যোগ্য মনে করেছেন তাদের পরিবারের একজন সদস্য হওয়ার। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ যে আমি মানে আজকে সত্যি আপ্লুত। আর আমি অবশ্যই আমাদের মাননীয় প্রধানমন্ত্রী মোদিজিকে ফলো করি।
But the biggest star catch for the BJP is Yash Dasgupta. A household name in Bengal, Yash has acted in several hit films like Gangster, Bandhani and Basera. Yash's BJP entry also grabbed eyeballs because he's known to be a close friend of colleague and TMC MP Nusrat Jahan.
प्रोफेशनल लाइफ अलग है, ना वो मुझे कहेंगी ना मैं उन्हें कहूँगा। हर बात पे हमें सेम पेज में होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। अलग विचारधाराएं हो ही सकती है और उस चीज़ की इज़्ज़त मैं करता हूं और मैं भी आशा रखता हूं कि वो भी मेरी उस बात की इज़्ज़त रखें।
The star war is on as BJP and TMC are going all out to woo Tollywood stars ahead of the big Bengal election. Bureau Report, India Today.
Speaking of politics, 2019 was a breakout year, a standout year really. Two young stars entered politics at the peak of their careers, defying convention that politics was only a career option for those who were retired or out of work. Here's a report.
They came, they saw, they conquered. Tollywood sirens Nusrat Jahan and Mimi Chakrabarti made their big splash in Parliament in 2019. When Mamata Banerjee decided to pit the two popular stars, reigning queens of Tollywood, in the Lok Sabha elections, it created all the buzz that she wanted. And some more. Trolls immediately took to social media to post glamorous videos of the duo and pass sexist comments. But that wasn't going to stop the ladies. They registered massive victories and stormed their way into Parliament.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম নমস্কার আমি নুসরাত জাহান রুহি জেন লোকসভার সদস্য নির্বাচিত হইয়া ঈশ্বরের নামে শপথ করিতেছি যে আমি বিধি দ্বারা প্রতিষ্ঠিত ভারতের সংবিধানের প্রতি প্রকৃত বিশ্বাস ও অনুগত্য পোষণ করিব।
As they took oath as members, the focus was on Nusrat, newly married to businessman Nikhil Jain. The TMC MPs Sindoor and bangles drew the ire of hardline Muslim clerics. They even allegedly issued a fatwa against her. But Nusrat hit back. I represent an inclusive India which is beyond the barriers of caste, creed and religion. As much as I respect all religions, I still remain a Muslim and none should comment on what I choose to wear. Faith is beyond attire. Nusrat's friend Mimi stood in defense of her. We are Indian and that's our only identification. Proud Indian and will be. Love you, Nusrat.
It was a pleasure being in the Parliament for the first time and we both were too excited, me and my colleague. We really wanted to post that picture just to share our happiness and excitement. But people took it the way they have to take it. But वो कहते हैं ना कि कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना.
The trolls or whatever it is, I don't pay any heed to them. Rather, I don't concentrate there much because my lovers are more bigger than my trollers. So yeah, I concentrate on like people who love me, not the people who are abusing me. I will work for people, that's my agenda.
Bold and outspoken, the two young women have defied convention and made their own rules. Sometimes leading to death threats too. But that hasn't stopped them from speaking their minds.
जिहाद और लव जो है ना ये साथ में जाता नहीं है. You know, just before elections, people come up with certain topics like this. It is a personal choice. Who do you want to be with? For God's sake, do not make religion a political tool in India.
From the corridors of Parliament to the dusty roads of their constituencies, Nusrat Jahan and Mimi Chakrabarti have added some feisty star power to the Trinamool's armoury. Controversy or no controversy, the two ladies have kept their heads above water and packed a punch every time to their opponent's shock. With Polami Saha, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.